May ipapakita akong pair sa inyo and magugulat kayo na meron palang ganito si New Balance. Tara, pakita ko sa inyo. So this is the New Balance 610. So you might be wondering, bakit hindi ko nga ba siya or hindi mo siya nakikita sa mga favorite mong influencers? Because maybe it's not the chunky or dud shoes katulad ng 2002, 1906, or even the 530s. So, anong special sa pair na to? If you're a fan of trekking, hiking, or light trails lang, or even short runs, you might want to consider this pair. If you can pull it off, bakit hindi mo siya gawing daily? Kasi andun pa rin naman yung comfort ng New Balance na binibigay niya, pero hindi tulad the comfort na binibigay ng mga nabanggit kong silhouettes before. Also, I just want to add that this silhouette is used by New Balance for the recent collaboration with Aminé. So ikaw, would you rock this pair? Let me know. Peace!